Hello, everybody. Welcome to the TEACHERCAST Educational Network. My name is Jeff Bradbury, and welcome to our series all about Microsoft Teams. This is the fourth video in our series. I have two amazing MIEs with me, and we're going to talk all about two great topics. Jenny and Celie, welcome back to the program. How are you today?
We're great. Thanks.
Now, in our first couple of videos, we discussed a little bit about Teams and why you would want to use it, but we've had some pretty good feedback over the last couple of videos. What have teachers been saying to you guys about this series so far?
The feedback has been great. The MIE community has really come together and been asking us some really good questions.
They've had two main questions that they've asked. One has been how you can create assignments in Teams, and another really popular question is it possible to create rubrics online in Teams?
Well, let's jump into the action. First of all, tell us a little bit about how we can use Microsoft Teams to create assignments for our students.
Sure, Jeff. To create assignments for your students in Microsoft Teams is actually very simple. When creating assignments, you can manage due dates, instructions, resources, and more. To begin, select Assignments on the left side navigation menu. Then click Create. You can create a new assignment, quiz, or use an existing assignment. Select the team that you would like to make an assignment for, and then click Next. Here you can add resources, you can give specific instructions, you can add due dates or adjust due dates, and you can even add a rubric from this screen. When you're finished, click Assign. A notification will appear in the activity feed and in the general conversation of that team.
You know, Celie, I love that you can use rubrics that way, but talk to me a little bit about how rubrics can save teachers time.
Well, Jeff, it is super easy and fast to grade using a rubric in Teams. First, customize your grading criteria when creating a rubric for your students. Attach the rubric to your assignment. Students are notified and can view the rubric. To grade the assignment, click Assignments on the left-hand side. Select the assignment you want to grade. Then click Review. Here you can see who has turned the assignment in and who has not. Click Turned In to review. Click on your rubric and you can easily select the score for this project. Use the arrows to advance through the rubric. Files that are turned in will display in the viewing panel on the left. When you are finished grading, click Done. Here you can enter feedback, and if you're using a rubric with points, they will be revealed at the bottom of the screen. Click Return to give this assignment back to your students.
You know, it's obvious that there's a lot of great things that we can do in Microsoft Teams, and anybody out there that's looking for more information probably has the same question. Where can we go for help? And I know that there's a perfect place over at education.microsoft.com. What can we find there when we join the Microsoft Education community?
Well, the Microsoft community is full of amazing training. You can go on there and take courses. You can also connect with other educators. You can go on virtual field trips. You can get involved in mystery Skypes. It's just awesome. We love the community. It's a great way to just grow as an educator and connect. You can earn points and badges and just continue to learn all about Microsoft products and bring those things into your classroom.
And I highly encourage you guys to check out all the great stuff over at Microsoft Educational Community. Again, that's education.microsoft.com. And if you like this and all of our videos, you can head on over to teachercast.net/MicrosoftEDU for this, all of our podcasts, and a bunch of our other Microsoft tutorials. We would love to have you guys there. And of course, before we leave, we want to remind you guys to check out our videos below. Hit that subscribe button. Join our educational community. We would love to have you here. So on behalf of Jenny and Celie and everybody here in the TEACHERCAST Educational Network, my name is Jeff Bradbury, reminding you to keep up the great work in your classroom and continue sharing your passions with your students.